Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we have with us the newly launched Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones, and in this video we will do the unboxing and find out if they are worth buying. Xiaomi Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones are available to purchase from mi.com, and the price of these earphones is Rs 799. In terms of unboxing experience, you have the model name here in the front. With some features of this earphone such as tangle-free braided cable, magnetic earbuds, you get the music control with mic. This earphone is available in blue and black color. At the back we have the specifications and the MRP, which is Rs 999. Now let's open the box and see the content. So on the top we get the earphones itself, and you get this magnetic earbuds, which looks good. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box you get the user guide, and you also get some extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones, as the name suggests, are the in-ear design earphones. In terms of design and build quality, the in-ear design looks very good, and the build quality as usual is top-notch, especially in this price range. At the back of the earbuds, you also have this carbon fiber finish, which looks pretty good. The earbuds are made up of anodized aluminium, and I also find them pretty lightweight. In terms of overview, in this earphone you get the 3-button controller by which you can change tracks, increase or decrease volume, and then you have the middle play and pause button, which you can also use to call Google Assistant or Siri. You get the braided cable with this earphone, which is tangle free, making the earphones easier to carry it around. Now looking at the 3.5mm headphone jack, you get the gold plated L-shaped jack, which will enable you to use the earphones for games and movies without any obstruction. The ear tips we have on these earphones are also of very good quality. I find them really soft and comfortable. And as mentioned earlier, you get 2 more pair of extra ear tips, which you can choose according to your requirement. Now let's talk about the main thing, which is the performance. First of all, the main USP of these earphones are the dual driver. So usually you get a single driver in the earphones in this price range, but in this earphone you have one 8mm driver and one 10mm driver. And even after that, the size of the earbud is actually very compact. I've seen lot of dual driver earphones, and believe me, they look big and heavy. Now because of the dual driver, you get exceptionally good sound when it comes to music. You get rich bass and crispy treble, and the clarity is also amazing. So for music, I really like these earphones, and if you're looking for a high bass output earphones, then you should definitely check these out. I have also used these earphones for movies and games, and there also they did not disappoint me. For games like PUBG and Call of Duty, even though you have high bass output, but because of the crispy treble, they're really good for PUBG, especially for fire and foot detection. For casual usage as well, these earphones are all-rounder, and I find the sound output pretty good. The mic clarity is also good, and if you're looking to take calls with them or want to use while playing PUBG for voice chat, there also you will not face any issue. Overall, Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones offers amazing sound output for both music and games. And if you're looking to buy an in-ear design earphones to play PUBG, then we highly recommend these earphones. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us which earphones you use for daily usage in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.